Hello everyone. You may heard about or already using the Claude, the powerhouse of AI. And today we're going to do something different. And from the Chrome web store, we're going to using that Claude, which is the pretty much good extension for the Claude. You can just simply search for that Claude for Chrome, and then it will automatically pop up. And here you just need to do to install that one. So as you can see right now, in my extension is already installed. It just newly launched, still in beta mode, but working perfectly fine for me. So what we are going to do is in our today's video is that you see the Substack. I'm now logged in my Substack account. What I'm going to do, I'm going to write a perfect article for my account, and then I'm going to create it using that particularly for that Claude Cowork to. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna write the entire article, and then it's gonna access over here using the Claude Chrome and then publish it right here. So you're gonna see how we are gonna do beautifully and in a very simple way. And as you need to have that extension, also you need to have that especially the desktop version of it, because right now in that online version you can see, you can go to the chat, projects, artifacts, and the customize, because there is Cowork is not available. So what I'm going to do, as you can see here, we have three tabs. One is the chat, another is the Cowork, another is the code. So I'm going to go one by one later on. So first of all, as you can see in the Cowork, simply you just create a new text and we will do that using that one. And if you doesn't have that Cloud version over here, you can simply download from here for the desktop version. If you're using the Mac OS or Windows or Linux, you can simply get it from here, even the mobile version as well. And by the way, you can feel free to follow me in the Medium, because I'm writing a lot of docs or the setup especially for this kind of things. As you can see over here, one is the best one is that the best 12 Claude skill setup, which already having 617 clap over here. Then you need the 14 repost. So you can feel free to read that, and please do follow me in the Medium. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, we are already in the Substack. So I'm gonna go here, and it's pretty straightforward. You need to just go to the Cowork, and I'm going to just paste my whatever the one I want. The prompt, it will be in the description. I'm going to add it for you so you can directly copy that and pass it. So what I'm saying here, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it easily. Okay, I'm going to saying it right here is that you are my writing and publishing assistant for my Substack Mystery Byte, which is my channel name over here. So it's gonna go through that mystery by delivers bite-sized intent. So there's just a description about that. Now we are providing the task. Pick one timely, trending, but evergreen topic that fits one of the three sections. So that will choose. Then it will go to write a complete 902,100 word article in the mystery byte voice and draft it directly in, because I always want to draft. I don't want it to publish, because it can be, I don't want to get so much access to do that. So leave it as draft, do not publish, which I let him to know. Now it's showing that step-by-step setup. First step is that choose and research. Second step that write it, and the third step it gonna go. Okay, what's the third? Third step is the draft it in Substack via Claude in Chrome. As you can see, I'm just telling him to do that, and if he doesn't install that extension, it cannot work on that. Then what it gonna do? There's a lot of other scenario which you can learn after having that. And step 4 is that hand it back. Tell me the title, the section you choose, because after passing that I need to have something, right? And also a one line summary. Give me one ready to paste Grok cover image, because we're going to use the Grok to generate the image form to pass it there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click it. So let it just start. So what we are going to do is remarkable. We're now doing nothing at our side. So we are just pasting the prompt right here. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna go through entire Substack portal, and then it's gonna research through the trendy topic which can be suited for my channel. And after that, it's gonna go and create the draft. And also after creating the draft, it can do everything. Just I need to be like a bodyguard here just to see. So now after passing that, as you can see, I'll pick a topic that timely but won't go stale. Research it, click carefully, okay, and then write it in the mystery byte voice and draft it in the Substack via browser. So as you can see right now, it's now channeling through the internet to get through some of the very good setup, as you can see. And let me verify the false statistics, the repair ship situation, and the big tech ownership shift. So okay, fine, it's now analyzing the data, doing its work. I think it can do a very good thing. So still it's now let me confirm the recent incident context and the meta water earth project figure. Good, it's resourcing. As you can see right now, it just writing the property here, and still it didn't open my Chrome extension regarding that. I don't know why, because at first I believe it will start writing and choreographing everything. As you can see, I have everything verified, research complete, going with the map, topic, who owns the undersea cables that carry the internet. So it's now writing the article, and of course I'm going to publish it right here so you can access to watch it. And if you are in the Substack already, please do subscribe, it's free. So right now, as you can see, it's open that mystery bytes Substack. You see, that's the new tab here. So now here it's gonna work. It will only work on that tab. Now it's loading my as you can see right now, this is gonna open once I click on that article. So now it's editing over here. So let me see, go side by side here, and I'm gonna make a little bit side. Okay, so you can see it. Okay, because there is a valid setup how you can write in mystery byte. Now is okay, who really owns the internet, look at the bottom of the ocean. Now this is a single post, that's why it looks like, okay, no, you can copy paste right here, it's very simple. No, it's not that simple. If you're writing like 10 to 20 posts in various platforms, it only not just access the Substack, it can access anything in your browser. Okay, it can access, go through like and work like you are in the browser. If you're not logged in, it cannot access. You need to provide the login credential and do the math, then only it will work. So right now, as you can see, this is really an art of work. As you can see, okay, so I'm gonna just let it be, let him finish the work because I don't want to interrupt it. Okay, আমি একটু পোস্ট করেছি। পাঁচটা গরমে গেমে যায়, একটু সামনে গিয়ে করো। তুমি জায়গা থাকো, এই বেবিও ঘুমাবে, 10:30 বাজে, আর তুমি দাও। হ্যাঁ, বাবাকে শোনায় দাও তো আর্লি টু বেডটা। Healthy, healthy, and wise. Wow, my boy, my boy. Good, good. চাপাই দিয়ে বউ। ওকে, Okay, it's pretty good here. You see, it's also passing the takeaway message and then the subscribe now button. So it's almost did everything. You see the full blog, full article, it has been written right here. Who really owns the internet? Look at the bottom of the ocean. And of course, this is not just a simple setup. If you read through it, because the link, it will be in the description, you're going to find out this is the real thing. This is the real way to publish and post particular article. So right now it's just now okay, the click scroll at the view and cursor position, and now okay, it's now unclear. Scroll back to the bottom and place the cursor precisely at the document end. Okay, I don't want to, scroll it because it's disturbing the cursor. So okay, I think okay, at the bottom now, let me click just below the bottom to place the cursor on the, okay, it's let him work, let him finish the work again. Okay, now the good part is that as you can, the section set to the map. You see, it's also choosing the section for my particular article. If you're new to Substack, it's gonna be a very new setup for you, but that's the how is things is going over there. Okay, now it's verified the full draft is intact and correct. So okay, the draft is gonna go, and you see you're ready to paste Grok cover image. So right now, what I can do, I can copy it, and then I can simply go in the Grok and paste it, and boom. Now what it's gonna do, it's gonna analyze that. You see the minimal flat editorial vector illustration, so it's gonna generate that illustration for me, and right here in that you can see as a tick mark, it's already did the job, right? And also if I go back to my Substack, if I go back to my, let's say I'm gonna go in my article right now, I don't want to create any article. If I go in my dashboard, I should be able to see okay, there that's the post right here, and you see okay, I think where I am, that's the draft. So in the draft, you see, okay, that was the last one which I open. I'm going to remove that because it's always creating the draft. So who really owns the internet? Look at the bottom of the ocean. So this is the one which it has been created. I can now close that. Okay. Now over here, it's also grabbing my setup. So, okay, I can download the image. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to rename my image. I'm going to just take it to the next level here. And I'm going to just rename it with the title, Who Own the Internet. Okay, that's it. And then I'm gonna get that. Okay, after that I'm gonna go right here and then simply go get my image here, and from the image I'm gonna go from the downloads. This is the image which I will pass that. Okay, and of course I'm gonna link up my over this one, the profile here, so you can easily track over that. So I'm gonna just simply link up my profile right here. Done. So right now, as you can see, even if I tell him to generate that image setup and do that, it can also do that. It can generate the image, then pass it. Just to go in a safe side, I'm not letting it to be. So as you can see, my entire post is just ready. From here, I can just go simply and continue. You see, it's already choose from which section it will be there. Then send to everyone. That's it. My thing is just getting published. And if I go directly in my post, and here you can see this is in live. Just how good is that? If I want to go view that post, I can simply view it. That is how simple, you see. So of course, I want you to verify it, run it, then it can also make schedule. If you want every day one to setup is done, you can also make it in a schedule work. It can do that. So this is super cool. So as just I did it, I want you to try using the Cowork to write your work, and especially to use the beautiful things called the Claude for the Chrome extension, which is perfectly fine. And then you can simply create your entire setup. I can go on and on with everything. I can also write the Medium post. I can write the Facebook post, YouTube post, any kind of post setup I can write using my Cowork. So this is a super fantastic and one of the powerful tools I ever use. So what I recommend you, give it a shot, give it a try, and of course subscribe me on the Substack, and if you can, then please do follow me in the Medium and try to read those articles, because here is the 12 skills you need most to learn to let your Claude work better in a perfect way. So of course, drop some ideas in the description, what kind of things you in the comments, what kind of things you want me to build next. And of course, there will be lots of other projects which is coming in future. Until then, like the video, subscribe the channel, and stay with me.